wish you all a very happy new year 2018. And well, आज मैं बनाने वाला हूँ a very informative and useful video. So this is a very informative and useful video. Short tip for you all. That is, I have been noticing that whenever people ride, it could be a sport motorcycle like the RC390 or a naked motorcycle like the Duke 390 or a cruiser, हम सब एक छोटा सा mistake करते हैं. Mistake नहीं करना चाहिए, but we do something which is not correct. That is our hand position. I have made many videos in the past जहाँ पे मैंने बात किया है about body positioning, lower back, upper back and all of that, but I never specifically spoke about hand positioning. And जब भी मैं रोड पे जाता हूँ बाइक चलाते हुए, I notice this, people are not using their hands the correct way. So let me get out of the motorcycle and show you how to use your hands when you're riding a motorcycle. Alright? And here we go. I am going to be sitting on my RC390. Alright? No baby. Wait, we'll finish the video.
5 minutes.
And for you all who don't know who he is my son Sid. Sid, say hi to the camera. Okay? Now don't talk. Okay? 5 minutes. Alright? Okay? So दोस्तों, buddies. So generally मैं देखता हूँ कि सभी लोग बाइक इस तरह चलाते हैं. See my hands इस तरह. Okay? Nitin, could you take a walk from here to here? We'll show this to our friends. Okay? कोई भी गाड़ी हो, it could be any bike. People are riding their motorcycles this way. But they should not be riding it this way. They should be riding it this way. Do you see the difference? Hands were here. Now the hands are here. The elbows primarily. Elbow should point down towards your knee. Both the sides towards your knee. Is tarah. And then you crouch down. It could be a sports motorcycle. And in terms, when you're riding a naked motorcycle also, not like this, like this. And when you're riding a cruiser also, don't worry. Cruiser handles are like this. You shouldn't be keeping your hands like this. Like this. And there is a reason why you should do it. Number one, if you're keeping them like this, you are stressing your shoulders and you're stressing your elbows. And also, reason number two, you're putting weight onto your handlebar, the steering bar. So when you put weight onto your handlebar, you are kind of not doing something which is correct. Handlebar should only be used for steering, not weight at all. Weight कभी भी हमें handlebar के ऊपर नहीं डालना चाहिए. पूरा weight जो है, it should be on your lower body. मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि hold the motorcycle tight with your lower body by your hips and your knees. Alright? So try this, buddies, try this, friends. Don't keep your hands like this, but keep them like this. The elbows pointing towards the knees. And alright? Try that. You'll notice a huge difference in your riding style and you'll also not get tired very easily. That is it, buddies. And I would also like you to notice this. That is, I have many paddock stands and this is one of my new... No problem, baby. I'm still speaking. Okay. So this is one of my new paddock stands here. This is from my trusted company named Grand Pit Stop. Alright. And the speciality of this is, of course, it is very well made and you can dismantle it and you can, carry it along with you on long trips. Not just that, but generally when you see this, that is this part of the motorcycle, to lift it up we will need spools. Spools का मतलब यहाँ पे, okay? Two paddock stands generally इस तरह आते हैं. They are this, where you will need a spool here with which the bike is lifted up. And when you don't have spools, you'll not be able to use the paddock stand, correct? So this one has the option of either inserting this here or having just a support which lifts the bike's frame up. I mean, this is called the swing arm technically. So using that you can lift the bike up. So this is a very good paddock stand, buddies. If you're planning to buy, you should look into it. And the reason why you can look into it now is that 2018 Grand Pit Stop has a sale going on and they have 25% off on all their products. So go on this website, that is grandpitstop.com. I have it in the description. I think bas itna hi, and let me show the paddock stand to you. I'll get it off the stand and show it to you, because I get a lot of queries very often to make videos about paddock stands. So here is what you see. This can be put on different sized motorcycles this way, alright. And if you want, you can take this off and you can put this for a motorcycle which has spools. So you can dismantle it from here. This becomes really small and it can be packed in a flat box. And another thing, if you noticed, I'm wearing a t-shirt saying buddies. Yeah buddy, wait, 1 minute. So I'm wearing a t-shirt saying buddies. This is my kind of tagline, isn't it? And it also has a photograph of Yamaha R1, the latest Yamaha R1. This has been sent to me by a company named printoctopus.com. Print Octopus. So I'll put it in the link, the link in the description of this video. You can check it out in case you want any customized t-shirts. You can buy it from them. That is it, buddies. Thank you very much. Wish you all a rocking new year. And if you're not subscribed to me, you're missing out on well over 600 videos. Alright, Sid, come. Will you say a Happy New Year to all our friends? Huh?
Happy New Year.
Bye-bye.